Today guys, we're doing a cartwheel, but that's done. Sun goes away. This way. But we're gonna try to attempt that picture. Did they made it? Sun goes away. Do you like my outfit? Yes, not you. Mama.
Guys, I think maybe it's sold out. I don't know about you. Not squishy, but also really cool. Oh my god, yeah, I don't see a Nito in sight scrolling down the river. Yeah. Boy,
But
is
it's
this
like this
true.
small.
TikTok.
Yeah, I want to eat that. I want to climb, but I'm not really hungry. That makes you actually pretty cool if you want to. You can split it, or you can,
Love
you know.
this, because, you know.
Obviously.
Let's just get some
Oh.
I just get some
Oh, what the fuck?
Wajib ka mo diwa, ay mandag ka na video.
Saray, ligid daw.
No, one ka din
This is our backyard, guys. Hello. Want to go back? Yes. So this is our backyard, so big. You think this is? This was a public place then my there. Got balonggay pandisan. So that's malunggay. Oh! Papa, bago mo naging halay, oh? Papa, bago mo naging halay, oh? Ayo. He doesn't. I'm sorry me today. There's a lot of bees. No flies on my that's so good. What can I say? Baby. Hi. I didn't fix my hair in this weather. Why can't I fix my hair? Please stop it. Ow. Last time, a comb got stuck in my hair. And Mom got angry, luckily got it off. But we tried to find keratin, but there wasn't any keratin. But luckily my dad got it off by breaking the comb. Oh, that was an comb. Really even watch this. I want to buy. I can't bring my bike here. It's gonna fall. Because today our coconut is falling, so when I go there with my bike, the coconut's gonna follow me. So yeah, I don't want her. Let's get to risk it, baby bacon. Ariel! Oh no! The coconut's gonna fall on me! That's really pretty nicely today. Not that hot. But yeah. I wanna eat something. Then eat iba. So yeah. I want to grab iba. Baby. Can you even see me? Or no? Maybe. Okay. Hello, I'm grabbing some Iba. Okay, it's Iba. Iba, okay? Not Iba. Not Iba. Or Iba. I think Iba. Iba. After lunch. Can you even see me? Hello? Can you even see me up there? Okay, let's grab Iba over here. Because there's nothing on top, so I'm gonna grab over here. I wanna really grab this thing. This is what the Iba looks like. So when you can eat it, you can bite it, you can eat it or you can spit it. So if you already tried this, like and subscribe. I tried this many times. I'm just gonna grab some asin. So don't mind my baby brother. He's not wearing shorts. He's only wearing a brief. Mama, Papa, kami na rin. Like yung video, kailang ko naka-briefs ah. He's only wearing a brief. We call salt in Philippines. Give me! Salt. Give me! Give me! Grab over there. He knows how to grab. This is not a diaper. This is a brief. This is a man's underwear. Huh? What to? You might step on a poop. You know we have 3 dogs. Oh, so sour. Sour but delicious. And so. Yum yum yum. And some salt. We call Philippines in the Philippines Filipinas. And we call this. And we call, you know. We call Iba in the Philippines still Iba. But we call salt in the Philippines asin. Asin. A-S-I-N. I think that's it. Asin. Yeah. But bye guys. Say bye. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.